This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It's October 28th, 2019. Today I got a call for a bad thermostat on a house. I've worked here before, and the guy just recently sold it to some new homeowners, and they think it's a thermostat, but could be something downstairs on the heating system.
Turn left on Elm Street.
If I remember right, I think there's zone valves there. It's a gas boiler. Probably zone valves there, so she thinks it's the thermostat. We'll have to go by there and give it the once over and see what's going on. Might be a zone head. Could be the thermostat. I mean, it's possible, but it's not always that. We're gonna go over there and give it the once over and see if we can figure out what's going on with it for the lady. It's getting a little cold here to be without heat now, so. We're going to change the batteries first thing here. It's a Robert Shaw. We'll check it. We got the new batteries in there. You said you had shut this thermostat off?
I did it because it
Alright, so we'll turn it on heat and we'll
it wasn't.
yeah, well you had it down below the set point. Did you know that? You had it at 60. See this pot here?
Well, we're clearly not understanding how to
Yeah,
use
okay,
this.
so this was at 60. See this 64? Yeah. It was below the 67. So for this thermostat to run, we have to go above that 67 because that's room temperature.
Okay.
So we'll go to 70. All right, is that too high for you?
Generally,
Just to see if it works.
No, we just want to see if it works.
70 on heat, right? And it's
Right.
on manual. See, it's
Right.
manual program. So now this thing should start. So we'll
That's
check
what we
it.
thought we were doing.
Maybe you had it set too low. You know, some people like to have it low because of their bedrooms, right?
So here's the deal. It's
Master bedroom, that's what we're working on. And it seems to be calling. It's going nice and easy, so I think she just didn't have the thermostat on. See how this one fetches up here, right? Because this one's not calling. You see? We'll give that a minute and we'll check it upstairs, but I think that's just the new homeowners, they just didn't know, right? They were complaining about the fan running. The fan is strictly the AC unit over here. She must have that on fan on. Because this is the AC part. We'll check it. We'll let it warm up. Just didn't have it on right. New homeowners, you just don't know, right? Nothing wrong with that. Might have to purge it, I'm not sure. We'll have to go up there and see.
Is this thermostat only for?
Yeah, you could feel the pipe. The pipe's nice and hot.
Yeah.
So the heating is the baseboard, and the cooling part is the registers. Okay.
Now, I have a